Hi everyone, it's me Ajay. I'm a Salesforce certified admin, developer, and a consultant. I have expertise on developing apps, managed package apps, and apps for App Exchange, for Pro Edition, and Enterprise Edition as well. So, in this particular video, I'm going to quickly demo about a particular project in which we were able to manage package app without the help of LMA or Salesforce App Exchange listing. So how we did it was by help of creating a separate Salesforce dev org and managing the sites in it, and within that site we created a sort of a login credentials for the client so that they can log in and they can manage that particular site. So over here you can see that once the user tries to log in, and they will be able to see a list of the key generated and the org IDs for which this particular key generation is working. So as soon as basically they can manage all the keys and the Salesforce, a number of user licenses for number of particular months, and the start date, the end date. So this logic is built over here to manage all the licenses within Salesforce itself. And how this is working, so let me just quickly show you by hitting on the new button. Okay, so as soon as I hit on the new button, you can see that I can create a call app license. In this, I will have to fill in the start date, the Salesforce org ID. This is the org ID in which I want my app to be installed, and the number of user license, like how many users can use it, for the number of months, and basically the client name, just to remember that okay, we have sold this, to say like we have shared the managed package with particular X client. Okay, now as soon as you submit all these details, what will happen is it is going to generate a particular key, and this key can be then used in the end client who has installed the package, and at the package installation in the configuration page they can set up this particular key and use it to ensure that the app is working. First of all, the app is valid, the app is working, and for the number of user license, for the number of months it is working, and so on. So you can see, like as soon as I hit on save, I can see the key generated. This is again a very unique and secure key. It's encoded, so I'll copy and paste it in a particular notepad, and what I'll try to do is like I'll try to share the same with my end client. Now what they will be doing is they will be using this key and they will be pasting it obviously in that Salesforce org. So ultimately at the end, what we can see is like the app management is the managed package management is taking place on a level in which you can easily calculate the number of users you are having for that particular package, the number of months they are running it, and at any instant of the time you can also have a feature to activate and deactivate this, or you can go ahead and go back and edit that particular number of user licenses, or to say like the number of months, and you can hit on update. So this will also work. Now in the backend, what will definitely happen is this is going to have a constant sync between this particular existing org and the org in which the managed package was installed, and they both will be in constant sync in order to track down every time whether that particular Salesforce org ID is having the right number of user license credentials, the right number of users for the correct month, and how they will be further on utilizing it. So all in all, yes, this particular app, or to say like this is a workaround, not a complete 100% workaround, but this is a small level workaround for Salesforce LMA. And if you want to sell it privately, if you want to share your managed package privately, not as a public listing apps, again, my recommendation is always to go on App Exchange, make it public, make full use of App Exchange Marketplace, which is the best way to do this. And that's it. I hope you liked it. Do contact us if you have any doubt, or if you need any help from us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you. Bye bye.